today we're going to be doing
Yellies.
Yellies? Yellies.
Yellies.
Before we start this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and give us a thumbs up. The louder you yell, the faster they go.
I got Flufferpuff. They got plastic and they got folding. I like that.
Here's Skye. I've seen these creatures before on a commercial, and their voice activated.
Yep, they are so cute.
And their eyes are so big. That's what makes them cute.
Yeah, what can I be so cute about?
Their eyes. I just told you.
Yeah.
Let's show you guys how these work, because I really want to see these guys in action. Okay, guys, you can actually see how furry they are. So furry. I like it. And they have a microphone on the back. If you can see the blackness, that's the microphone. So let's turn her on. So all you need to do is flip her over, and then you find the little button on the bottom, and then you just like push it down, and then done. It's on. Hello. The little legs start moving. We have an orange light in the back, and let's see what our sister has. Let's turn it on. So flip, and then that's what happens. It's green. Hello, hello, Yellies, Yellies, Yellies. Yay! Oh, that was funny. It fell right off the table. I'm gonna get my leg off. Yay! Let's see if they hit each other. Yay!
I got a great idea, Scarlett.
What?
We cut off the lights.
1, 2, 3. I don't even know where my seat is. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mine is actually orange.
I don't know where the button is.
Okay, let's find it. Let's find the button. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my gosh! Yours is actually yellow.
Yay!
Yay! Sorry.
Okay.
Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. These little animals say bye too. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and bye.
Have a good week.